Hello students, this class is for class 7. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter energy. In your previous class I have explained about the one form of mechanical energy, that is potential energy, and its different examples. Today we are going to discuss about the another form of mechanical energy, that is kinetic energy, and its examples. So let's start the class. The term kinetic energy. I said that the kinetic means motion. Kinetic means motion. So the energy gained by any body that is in motion is called as kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is the energy gained by any body in motion or in the state of motion. Okay, motion is necessary. So let's discuss some examples about kinetic energy. First example, suppose boys are playing cricket, okay, and they are hitting the cricket ball with the bat. The ball is going somewhere and after a certain time it hits a window pane. Cricket ball hitting a window pane. Window pane. So generally the window pane breaks down after the ball hits the window pane, and that's why. That is because when they are hitting the ball is in motion and it definitely acquires some amount of kinetic energy, and with the help of that kinetic energy the ball is breaking that window pane. That is, we are throwing a stone and the window pane breaks. Why? When we are throwing a stone, the moving stone also gains some amount of kinetic energy. It is in motion, and with the help of that kinetic energy it breaks that window pane. So breaking of a window pane with the help of a cricket ball or a throwing stone is termed as the utilization of its kinetic energy. So it is the utilization of the kinetic energy of ball. Okay, this is one example. What will be the next example? You have seen the pendulum clock. Okay, pendulum clock. The pendulum looks like this pendulum clock, and it is moving to and fro like this. It is moving this side and this side. This is the pendulum motion to and fro. It is swinging, right? It is swinging. So that's why when it is swinging, when it reaches in that position, it becomes in rest position for fraction of second, and also in this position it is in rest for fraction of second. But between this line, in this line, it is in motion randomly. Okay, it is in motion. So whenever it is in motion, it has some type of kinetic energy. Okay, that is the usefulness of kinetic energy in a pendulum clock. So usefulness of the kinetic energy of what? Kinetic energy of a pendulum in clock. Okay, pendulum is constantly swinging, and that's why it is gaining the kinetic energy, and that is utilizing in the clock. So this is the another example of usefulness of kinetic energy. In a daily life, in some rivers or seas, you can see that some garbages are flowing. Wooden logs are flowing. Okay, due to why? Because flowing river or sea, flowing river means in motion. River is flowing means in motion. So flowing river has kinetic energy. Flowing river has kinetic energy. Now with the help of that kinetic energy, everything that lies or floating above the water, either garbages or a log of wood, it is flowing with river. With the help of what? With the help of the kinetic energy of a flowing river, everything that is floating above the river, it is going with the flow of the river. So flowing river has kinetic energy with the help of this Ke, that means kinetic energy, garbages or logs of wood are flowing with the river, Okay, everything in the river is flowing due to the kinetic energy of the flowing river. Flowing river has kinetic energy, and that's why they can take away anything with it. Okay, so these are the some examples of kinetic energy. Now you must consider the extent of kinetic energy. Okay, in a cricket match, either it is 6 or it is 4. Okay, depends upon how hard the batsman hitting the ball. Okay, that means the kinetic energy extent of that ball is depending upon the extent the batsman is hitting that ball. That means kinetic energy depends upon two factors. Kinetic energy depends upon two factors. What are they? One factor is the mass of the body, that is the mass of the ball, mass of the body, and the second is the speed of the body, speed of the body. That is when batsman is hitting the ball, depending upon the extent of hit, the speed of the ball differs. That is, whenever the batsman is hitting the ball very hard, its speed is very high, and that's why its kinetic energy is also high, and hence it is going outside the boundary, or depending upon the speed, it lies within the boundary. Suppose I am standing here, someone is pressing me from the back side. So I will go in the forward direction. The extent of how much I will go in the forward direction depends upon how much anyone is forcing or pushing me from the backside direction. Okay, so it depends upon the force and depends upon the speed of that thing that it is gaining due to that pressure. Okay, so there are two terms, that is mass of the body and speed of the body, that it is gaining due to the hitting or due to giving pressure over it. Okay, so these are the two terms kinetic energy depends. So in the next class, we will discuss about some different conversion of energy, that is conversion of heat energy to electrical energy or electrical energy to heat energy, that is different types of conversions. Okay.